Well, hello everybody and welcome back to Money Plus Makeup Routine. I am so excited to bring you the month of June Ipsy, and this month theme it is Ready Set Play, and it's right here. And I just recently received it, and I'm so happy that I received it on the time. We're still in the month of June. Can you believe it? We're in the last day of June and we just made it on time. I am so grateful to be part of the program because they have really amazing subscription that you do not want to miss out. So the Ipsy Glam Bag costs $13 a month, and this has 5 deluxe beauty samples. So let's get into it, and it comes in this little cute envelope here. So let's see what cute little bag we get for this month. And it is, wow, look at this, so cute. This has a little love, it says love here, the one that the zipper, right? And it comes with a beauty puff, you know, those for the powder. I have a black one, but this is so adorable. Look at it, just fits perfect. So like when you're like pressing the powder for the setting powder. And this is from Reina Rebel, so that's the brand, and it's so cute. Like I definitely will put this in good use because I have one myself in black. So now I'm gonna go into the other products that we got, the other samples that we received for this Ipsy Glam Bag. And this is from Benefit, the Hola this is the bronzer. Yes, this is a bronzer. So let's open it. I bet you guys already know what it looks like, but I just wanted to show you guys. Oh, I touched it with my nail, but this is really nice. I actually never tried any bronzer from Benefit, so I'm excited to try this out. And the next item is from the Frank Body, and this is a body scrub plus cleanser, and this is definitely amazing because I really love body scrub. And this is like 2-in-1. This is like a body scrub and a cleanser, so like definitely it's amazing because I always really wanted to try something from them. And I am so happy to have received this in my Ipsy Glam Bag. And this right here, this is from Norgen, and this is a Real Cinnamide serum. So this is definitely a nice serum. I really use a lot of serums, so this really, I think I will be using it soon, like right away, because I use a lot of, and I do a lot of layering on the skincare, so this is really nice. And this is the last item, I guess, yeah, because this is 5, right? So this is right here, this is from Beauty Co. Unfiltered, and this is a lip oil. So look how nice that looks, and look at the one. Wow, I definitely could tell you I am into lip oils recently, so this is definitely a bonus to have. So that is the Ipsy Glam Bag, and I definitely love it. So now let's get into the Boxycharm by Ipsy, if I'm not mistaken, and it comes in this box, and I just opened it up here so that it makes it easy for the unboxing. So now let's wow. So the first thing first, and this is my cage, I think, and this is an eyeshadow palette. So this is like let's open it up. I think this is like 4 shades in it. So let's see, yeah. Right here. So this is the beauty of the eyeshadow palette, and it comes with a beautiful mirror, and look how fancy it looks, so nice. Yeah, the shades are like kind of neutral, so I think I might give it a go, but I'm not really that into neutrals, but I think they do look nice. If you want something basic, easy, and it has, I think it has mattes. I was seeing it has matte shimmer, so that is perfect for everyday look, right? So let's go to the other item, and this is enlightening exfoliating cleansing gel. So this is from Simo Boyle London. I think, if I'm not mistaken, that's what you call the brand. So this is really nice. I definitely like exfoliating, and this is exfoliating and cleansing gel. So this is like another bonus because I like when it's 2-in-1, because it's like a multitasking product, right? So that's beneficial. And the next item, this is Ultra Tonic Duo of Gods, and this is watermelon extract, and this is a facial toner. So let's open it up. and let's see how it looks, because I always am curious how toners look. So this is how the toner looks. And basically, yeah, this is like, it says welcome to summer in a bottle, and we are basically in summer, so we actually need all the good stuff for our skin, and this is definitely a bonus to have. So now let's go into the other item, and this is a bronze highlighter. This is from You Babe Beauty, and let's open it up because I definitely love highlighters, and I'm always trying to find a different one for like when I do my makeup look, and I have highlighter right now. Let's go ahead. Oh, she is gorgeous. Look at the sparkles. It's let me put this on my, wow, look at that. Wow, this is definitely a must. I'm gonna definitely put this to use like right away. Like honestly, like maybe my next makeup look, it will be on my face, because this is really gorgeous. Like I definitely love this. I love. So now will be my last item, because there is 5 items in the Boxycharm by Ipsy. So this is the last item, and this is I think it's this dual, this is brown and black, this is doll paint, and this is gel eyeliner. So we know how the eyeliner looks, but I always love to unbox it to show you guys exactly what they look like. So this is one, and this is another. So it's like a gel type one. So oh yeah, so it's close up, but you know, basically it's a gel type eyeliner, and one is in color, I think brown and black. Yes, brown and black. So I say that it's really not bad, it's good. And I definitely love this month what I received for Ipsy and for the Boxycharm by Ipsy. So I think you guys definitely need to get into the subscription, because it's always a fun package to get monthly, and I really love it. And I will be back here shortly to soon post for next month, because I got an update that it's coming on its way. So I'm excited for that, because I'll be able to post you guys very soon. And I hope you guys are having, like, you know, plans and specials for something special for the summer. That's what I was trying to say. I am enjoying it so far. My son has just finished school, so now we're getting into the summer vacation, and I hope you guys are having a great Friday, because today is Friday and this video will hopefully go up today. And everything else is amazing for me, and I am excited to just be here and show you guys always good content. So stay tuned for more, and I hope you guys take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.